Welcome back to Free Arts Academy. Today we'll be doing Acrylic Pouring on a Budget, Episode 4, using Keff Artistry Kit. Here's an image of the box of the Keff Creations Artistry Acrylic Pouring paint set that we used for this tutorial. This little kit is very impressive. Check out all the stuff that it includes. This kit will actually take you through your first several acrylic pour painting efforts. As you can see here, I've started to set up my acrylic pour painting station. I've got a little acrylic pouring medium in my cup that they provide. They provide a sleeve of cups in this kit, as well as the stirring sticks that you see here. Admittedly, I used too much acrylic pouring medium in this cup. That's why you can see that the medium is turning a light purple, but doesn't exactly look like the paint anymore. That's my mistake. Please learn from me. All right, so you can see I've got my kit handy here, and I'm going to pull out another plastic cup and a new color, and I will start mixing that paint so it has the right amount of acrylic medium in it, not too much, not too little. Stir it up with the stick very well. For this painting, I chose to make a set of two 6x6 canvases, which are actually included in this kit. I mixed three colors, purple, blue, and magenta, with my acrylic pouring medium. And now, cup by cup, color by color, I just dump the paint on there in a ribbon shape. Whatever shape you want is fine. As I start to add other colors, I'm going to be more intentional about the placement of those colors. As you can see, I put the Barbie pink right up against the purple on one side, consistently with both pieces. And now on the other side of the purple, I'm going to add that deep, lovely blue. In the interest of having enough paint on the canvas so that it spreads nicely, I'm going to take the last ends of the color that I've got and put more ribbons on the blank parts of the canvas. Ooh, this is the exciting part. Notice that we're using our DIY drying wrap that you can make for cheap if you look at episode 1 of this series. Just like the other acrylic pour painting videos, we're going to pick our canvas up at this point and switch the orientation of the canvas as we tilt it in different directions. Keep moving the canvas around. So naturally, we'll give our second canvas the same treatment as we did the first, and we'll pick this 6x6 canvas up and tilt it around, change the orientation a bit, get the swirls of the paint looking really interesting. Please remember that in acrylic pour painting that it's very important to be patient, especially at this step. Make sure you're taking the time to let the paint move around the canvas to cover your canvas completely, and also let the extra drips come off the sides so that your canvas will dry quicker and not crack while it dries. This is how our 6x6 pair of paintings in beautiful purple came out. Please let us know in the comments below, how did your painting come out today? We are here to help you become the happiest and most creative version of yourself. So please subscribe to our channel for more art videos like this. See you next time.